Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to be making bubble tea popsicles. So these are strawberries and cream flavored popsicles. So good. They're flavored with natural, fresh strawberries that, like, oh my gosh, you can even smell the strawberry when you're holding the popsicle. It's amazing. And instead of adding tapioca to the actual popsicles, because tapioca is not the best when it's frozen, we're using blueberries instead. So these look exactly like bubble tea, but they taste a lot better than a frozen bubble tea version would taste. So let's get started. So first things first, I have some frozen strawberries that I've thawed, and the reason why we're using frozen strawberries that have been thawed instead of just like using fresh strawberries is that because I find that the color is so much more vibrant when you're using frozen fruit versus fresh fruit. I'm not exactly sure why, but it just always seems to be the case. And we're thawing them so that when we puree them, they break down much more easily and it's not as chunky. But if you want a chunkier look, that's totally up to you. So we're adding the thawed strawberries, some vanilla ice cream, some milk, and some vanilla extract into a blender, and then pulsing until everything is nice and combined. And then you want to fill some popsicle molds about a third of the way full with some blueberries. And if you don't have a popsicle mold, I'll have one linked in the description box below if you want to pick it up. And then just pour the strawberry mixture right on top, pop in the freezer, and leave them into the freezer. Leave them in the freezer, oh my god, for about 6 hours or up to overnight until they're frozen, and you are done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. If you missed last week's video, I made some Nutella popsicles, and those taste so heavenly, it's insane. So if you want to check out the recipe, I will have it linked in the cards right here for you. And if you don't want to miss out on any other popsicle recipes or any other recipes I make, I upload 5 days a week here, so please hit the subscribe button and ring the little notification bell so you're notified when those recipes are posted, because there are a ton of recipes coming for you. Tomorrow, real time tomorrow, not YouTube time, I'm making some homemade mashed potatoes, and I'm going to show you how to roast garlic. Like, oh my god. So those recipes are coming really soon, and they're going to be so good. I'm personally so excited just to like eat them. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow for an all new video.